both of us know each other from my first film, which was Hazaro Khwaishein Aisi. I was a student in college then, and Swanand was assisting in that.
college?
I went to Miranda House to do sociology honors. So basically, मैं Swanand को तब से जानती हूँ, and when I saw him that he is going to play my elder brother in the film, and I met him at the Prakash Show office that day, it was only silence, to be honest. Or, you know, we all talk of circles, na? Everything coming back in circles. It was that one big circle coming back, you know, and obviously he was a little bit nervous because first time he was getting into acting, and we know that, you know, he's an ace lyricist, he's a legend there. But यहाँ पे, you know, somewhere I was like, अच्छा, acting तो मैं जानती हूँ. No, but I think it was a beautiful give and take. Beautiful give and take, and you know, we have so much love for each other, but in the movie we constantly have to fight. Constantly we are fighting, like, you know. So it was a lot of fun. It was a lot of fun, and saw Swanand sir like nervous also in the beginning sometimes, you know, and we would, like, I would go up to him and sometimes I would gauge his pace. कि अगर मैं ज़्यादा घुस के इनको cool down करना चाहूँ, that is also a problem. So I would just let him be in his space, you know. And slowly, I think within 2-3 days we got into the skin of our characters. फिर तो ऐसे बोल दो और हम ऐसे लड़ना शुरू हो जाएंगे. In fact, you know, climax, which is one of the very important sequences, we almost started improvising, and it was like a one take. You know, हम रुके ही नहीं. मतलब वो character हम दोनों में इतना घुस गया था by then. So I think it was a beautiful coming together, and you know, so much good energy, you know, to receive from him, which we, you know, can feel through his songs. You know, they are our own songs, so it was the same kind of feel that I got.
Thank you. Foremost, I am a lyricist and a singer, and the transformation was really good because I was very surprised when Ritesh came up to me and he asked me to do this role. You know, I got a call from a friend and he said, these guys are making a film from Prakashja Production and they want to meet you for a role. And I said, what role is that? And sometimes people call me to sing a song in a film or to एक ऐसा रोल होगा कि जिसमें कहीं गाना हो थोड़ा सा तो बुला लेते हैं कि आप तुम आ जाओ थोड़ा सा कैमियो है you have to do this. So I've done that sort of roles before. But this time when he called me, I was totally shocked and surprised to hear the role, the length of the role. It was the main role with Shilpa, along with Shilpa. And first thing came to my mind that maybe they have not spoken to Prakash ji, because Prakash ji is the producer of the film, so maybe they'll say no. So I asked him, you know, whether you asked Prakash ji or no, and he said, yeah, he's also very, very excited that he played this role. And then I thought, yeah, maybe this is a time when I also explore a new thing in my life. You know, God has sent me an opportunity to do something which I've not done ever in my life, to play a character, full-fledged character, which holds the whole story together. And I did it, and it was real good fun. I enjoyed it.
I think as a first-time director doing this film, I think I'm very, very lucky because you know, हमेशा डर लगा रहता है कि पहली पिक्चर है तो will everyone cooperate? You know, because no one knows how capable you are. No one knows कि will you make a good film or will you be able to, you know, deliver. So what worked really, I think, wonderfully for this film was that I think I got the most wonderful actors, the most wonderful team. So I'll say that again. So I think I got the most wonderful actors and the most wonderful team for this film because no one. So none of them, like, you know, they are very accomplished people. अपने में ही उन्होंने इतना accomplish किया है, like in her films, you know, she's an critically acclaimed awarded actress. And he obviously national award winning actor with so many films, Lage Raho Munna Bhai, PK, Three Idiots. So for me, I didn't even know will they trust my vision of the film, you know. They might think ये कौन है, this young guy wants to make a film, इसको कुछ आता भी है. But not for a second, since my first interaction with them, did they make me feel that they are judging me or they are trying to see कि इसको क्या मालूम है. From the first time I met both of them, they put their full faith in what I was saying, you know. And that continued throughout the shoot. They never questioned if I'm doing the right thing or the wrong thing, you know. If I said that I think we should do this, they have completely trusted. So I think it was a dream to work with them as a first-time director, because the biggest confidence booster is when your actors trust you. You know, otherwise it becomes very difficult to run a set which has 300 people, 200 people. तो जब actors आपको trust करते हैं तो मतलब आधा काम
But
वही easy होता है.
he looks like an actor himself, and he is such a smiling face, and he's always he's so much of positivity. No doubt ever came that whether he'll be able to pull it off or no. You know, it was always that, and he attracts such. He has such good energy that not me and Shilpa, but everyone in this film, the whole Crazy Gupta family, we actually became a family to shoot this film. And I've never seen a happier set than this. I've seen many, around 30-35 films तो मैंने किया है, लाइफ में उससे ज़्यादा ही किया होगा, पर इतना हैप्पी सेट मैंने बहुत कम देखा. एक्टर ज़्यादातर को लड़ने में विश्वास. Not my first film as an actor, but this is my first film as a lead role.
Lead role.
Yeah, and see, life is been wonderful with me. You know, I wanted to become an assistant director. I wanted to become a director. I came here. I worked with Sudhir Mishra. Hazaro Khwahish Aisi. Suddenly, Shantanu Moitra took my the song I had written, Bavraman Dekhne Chala Ek Sapna, and he insisted that I sing that song. So there was somebody who was, who was bringing one talent of mine out, which what I'm not sure of. Again, when I was doing so well in writing lyrics and sometimes singing, Ritesh Menon comes and he gives me this chance to work with Shilpa Shukla and such a huge role. I love doing it. So I won't say that I'm saying no. I will do now one more thing added in my understanding that I want to do. Now I want to do certain roles and I want to do certain things. So let's see how people react to this. I'm sure they'll react positively. But I want to
Explore this area.
yeah, of course, because it's the best area. Yeah, I'm telling you.
Once you see him in the film, you will also want to see another film of his.
Yeah, that's what I'm asking actually.
Yes.
Since he has
To be honest, definitely for me personally as an actor, I thought that comedy they say is the real test for an actor. But with me, what happened is that it wasn't so much of a worry actually. Like I know if I get the sur right of any character, be it tragic or comic, if I get the sur right, then I will be able to sing the song. So if I don't get the beginning right, is when the problem is. Personally, of course, I can't compare these characters because for every character the process is different. For this one, the good part is I think the process was in the team. It was about this family coming together and that's your process. So because for Sarika, she was like a person who's isolated. So it was like had to be like a body, mind, soul experience. Here, what happened is that Archana is someone like her character. If I can talk about Archana's character, she is like a kid. वो बड़ी तो हो गई है, but she's someone who's still dressing up like a 16-year-old. Or does not want to part with her dreams. But she's very ziddi. So as much as there was external process to it, there was internal as well. But it happened because the family came together. If I were to see Archana in isolation, I would not know. Archana exists because all this exists around her. She is a show-off. She is there because there are others. Whereas like the rest of the characters that I've played were very individual in their being. So, yeah. So I can't compare which was difficult, which was easy. But one thing I can assure you that, whether a film will work or not, for me personally, like I've done very few films, but all of them have worked, is that it all depends on the process and the people that you're working with. And if that gut feeling is right, then everything goes fine till the time the audience sees it. So it's the same feeling that I have for Chakre or I had for BA Pass, So this time also the feeling is the same. Calm. He's a very, very calm person, and that energy transforms, all of us. From the assistant to the spot boy to everyone. So that is a great quality to have because filmmaking is essentially teamwork, and the vibes that float. And on our set, people were, surprisingly everyone had a spiritual, set of mind. yeah, spiritual bent of mind. You know, there were animal lovers on our set. There were people who would care if you throw garbage outside. You know, there were people who would care if you did not talk to respect to someone, even if. So you know, so I think that you know, him being the captain of the ship, you know, there was so much to unlearn, because you know, Bollywood functions in a certain way. If you don't throw a tantrum, matlab you're not like, you know, you're not good enough. Here everything was opposite. You know? We had to unlearn what we thought was our learning. You know, so I really respect him as a human being. You know, for bringing in all those values into all of us. You know, B as a filmmaker is very chilled out. He will listen to all. You know, agar it is my role, but you know, my entire family is talking for that role. He will listen to everyone. You know, because we never know कि कहाँ से क्या inspiration या you know. So he's very open. Like even if I have an issue with something, then he will listen to it, you know, and then how he convinces me or whatever, you know, that is a director's job. But you know, that openness was there. He is not a rigid person, so you know, you can talk to him, you can share with him, and he lets you be. He makes you very comfortable. Like I remember there was this one emotional scene, and you know, I could not cry. Like I don't put glycerine to cry. Okay, I could only cry once or twice because I could feel that. And he totally understood, and we tried to do many takes after that. But he just came and said, Shilpa, we got it. You know? I remember that day.
And they have used the first take.
And yeah, it's the first take that has been used. And so somewhere he understands his actors and their moods so well. And you know, it's not easy to handle so many actors on a set.
Child actor.
Also, exactly. You know. But everyone treated like an adult. You know. So pleasure working with Ritesh.
And do you believe
ओरी चिरैया नन्ही सी चिड़िया अंगना में फिरवा जा रे अंधियारा है घना और लहू से सना किरणों के तिनके अंबर से चुन के अंगना में फिर जा